Hello everyone, my name is Matt Martin and this is my final project for CS50. It is titled HomeIoT Climate Control Hub. Now the project itself is geared towards solving one particular problem that's pretty close to me, and that's living in an apartment where I don't have access to a more advanced climate control system or an air conditioning HVAC system. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to use a fairly low cost, highly customizable hardware and software solution where eventually I would like to automate the activation of a couple of different fans within my apartment to modulate between on and off based on a feed-forward climate control system. And in order to get to that point in the project, I wanted to make use of a Raspberry Pi 4 as the home IoT hub to log the data and provide the smarts to perform that automation. And here's just a really quick overview of what the implementation looks like. See here that we're running a Pi 4 with Raspberry Pi OS as the controller. Have one sensor that's logging data real time for temperature and relative humidity. And we're also accessing through the web the Open Weather API that offers both current and forecast data, and that's all that's being handled and communicated with my home router here. And the data logger itself was designed to run real time, and I wanted it to run during the boot and start during the boot process for the Raspberry Pi OS, and the data itself is stored using a SQLite database. And then for future state detection and viewing the analytics for the controller itself, I used Python and Flask to build a local web server. And now we'll just have a really quick demo of all this working in real time. Okay, here's a quick demo of the front end operating in real time. Here we have on the home page, we have the current temperature and humidity for the apartment indoors. And then for the controller implementation down the road, I wanted to build an analytics page where we can show the historic and the forecasted temperature and humidity data that will be used for the feed-forward climate controller.